Hey everyone, the GPD Win 5 is GPD's boldest step yet in the handheld gaming market, and it also marks a milestone as the first portable gaming device available for purchase with AMD's new Strix Halo APU. Positioned as a successor to the Win 4, the Win 5 borrows aesthetic cues from the PlayStation Vita, but takes on a much larger and more performance-focused form factor. At 267 by 111 by 24.21 millimeters and a weight of 940 grams when paired with its external battery, this is no slim handheld. Even when using only the internal unit, which reduces the weight to around 590 grams, it remains noticeably larger and heavier than most handhelds currently available. The extra bulk, however, allows GPD to pack in serious hardware. Buyers can choose between two AMD APUs at launch: the Ryzen AI Max 385 with a Radeon 8050 SI GPU, or the higher-tier Ryzen AI Max plus 395 with a Radeon 8060S. In real-world performance, both processors are excellent, with the differences showing up more in graphics-heavy workloads than CPU-bound ones. Benchmarks reveal the Radeon 8060S offers about a 20% uplift in GPU performance compared to the Radeon 8050S. Importantly, even the base 8050S configuration comfortably outperforms the popular Radeon 780M and 890M chips used in other well-regarded gaming handhelds, giving the Win 5 an edge in modern titles. The display is another highlight. GPD equips every Win 5 with a 7-inch IPS panel running at 1080p resolution and 120 Hz, which strikes a strong balance between sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. The device also integrates useful features for enthusiasts, including an M.2 2280 slot, USB 4 connectivity, a mini SSD slot, and Hall effect triggers that should provide more precise and reliable input. Battery design is where GPD continues to take a different approach. Rather than relying solely on built-in cells, the Win 5 ships with an external 80 watt-hours battery pack. This setup pushes the overall weight close to a kilogram, though the battery can be swapped for fresh units, which cost around $93 each. The system can also run directly from the mains using USB 4 or GPD's proprietary 180-watt connector, offering flexibility for extended play. Pricing places the Win 5 firmly in premium territory. Early backers on Indiegogo can secure a model with Ryzen AI Max 385, 32 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage for about $1,448. The higher-end Ryzen AI Max plus 395 models range from around $1,650 with 32 gigs RAM to roughly $2,120 with 64 gigs RAM, though GPD currently does not offer a 128 gigs configuration. Distribution is expected to begin in November 2025, with Amazon listing the Max 395 SKU at $1,489 as of now. Overall, the GPD Win 5 is not a handheld for everyone. It's large, heavy, and expensive, but it offers performance levels unmatched by smaller devices and represents a new ceiling for Windows-based portable gaming. With its blend of cutting-edge AMD hardware, flexible expansion options, and swappable battery design, the Win 5 feels like a device designed specifically for power users who want the most uncompromising performance on the go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.